And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna show another dishes we have here in Mike Pizza. So the name of this dish is carbonara. Why the carbonara was born? Okay, long time ago, when the people doesn't have enough food to eat and they are going for a long job, far away, working in the mountain, the only things available in Italy was egg, cheese, and bacon. Bacon, which is guanciale, we call guanciale, but here we use bacon, normal bacon, because sometimes it's not available. So these three things, which is bacon, usually it's a pecorino cheese, and in this moment we are using grana padano, black pepper, and egg. So let's start. First of all, spaghetti. Of course, spaghetti is dry. You can keep it for a long time, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So when the people go in the mountain for working, spaghetti is dry, never spoil. You have a long shelf life. As usual, what we're doing is put the pasta inside, salt in the center, and let the pasta going down slowly, 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 gentle, without break. Don't use so much pressure. When you are cooking, there's something very important. We are not cooking as a chef only with the eyes, with the mouth. We hear also all the ingredients cooking. This is very important. So when you have a long time experience, you use your sense, your nose, your taste, your eyes, your ear to cook, and your touch. Your hand is very important. Okay, let's start. Which is the sauce. In the time the pasta boiling, roughly 12 minutes, 13 minutes. Okay, egg here. Okay, egg. Make sure all the white goes out. Perfect. First of all, smash a bit the egg. You put a pinch of black pepper, then prepare the bacon, cut very thick. Okay, there we go. Okay, should be enough. See how many I'm using. This must be working. Let me see. All right, start. We don't use olive oil in this recipe because the bacon already has a fat, and just let it melt. Okay, see, not olive oil. We use the fat of the bacon to cook all the recipe.
Vicenza, sempurna dalam keanggunan.
Okay, so this one is cooking. Just make sure all the oil come out. Make a nice crispy bacon first. Okay, the pasta is boiling. Make sure everything is going well. In this recipe we are not using a cream at all. I know in Indonesia a lot of people like cream, but you can request. In Mike Pizza you can request with cream or without cream. You wanna be original or you wanna be not original, but it doesn't matter. For me, I saw many strange things in my life. I can cook whatever you like. Okay? Look now, this is very important. You take the water with the salt, you put it inside here, one nice scoop. Okay, start to smash Parmesan cheese, a nice bunch of Parmesan cheese. Look, this is very important for the sauce. Okay, on here is roasting the bacon, see? Okay, it's going to be crispy. Look how many oil the bacon take it out. You don't need to use olive oil or vegetable oil because the fat of that is the one who is going to cook all the ingredients. Now, very important, look, this is very important process. The pepper, make sure the fat is hot and you can see, come and see. You can see it bubbling when you put the pepper inside. You see the bubbling come out? This is what is giving flavor to the carbonara. This is a little secret not many people knows. Okay? Now at this time we are ready to put the pasta. We just wait a little second, the pasta is gonna be ready. There we go. Let's take out the flavor from the bacon. Look. Look what happened. All the flavor from the bacon is out. And have you noticed that we are not using salt in this recipe because we are using the salt from the water, which is plenty of starch from the spaghetti. I off the gas. Take the pasta and go in. There we go. On the gas again. There we go. And now start to give a flavor to the spaghetti. Wow, amazing crispy bacon. Look at the pepper, how it's melting very well with the spaghetti. And here we go. Perfetto. And now we are ready to do something that we do it here in Mike Pizza. Ready? Let's go.
Vicenza, sempurna dalam keanggunan.
And now we have to do something we only do it here in Mike Pizza. I need the help of somebody because I have a back pain. Hello? Can I have a help from you? Hello? Ciao.
Yes.
How are you?
Very good.
Very
Thank
good.
you very much.
Very
Waiting, very hungry.
Yeah, can you please help me to do something?
Yes.
I need to carry the stuff here,
Oh, come
which is
on.
very heavy. Can you please help me?
1, 2.
I'm
Gini,
very
Pak?
strong.
Gini, Tak.
Yes.
Ya, weh.
Yes, Bu.
Yes, Tak.
Yes,
Cek
Pak.
dulu, Nge.
Siap.
Okay, now what we gonna do? The one leg.
Kopinya enak banget.
Did you? How was the coffee? Good.
That's good, very
Yeah, your eyes looks very open now.
Udah nggak 5 watt lagi.
Iya.
All right.
Ini kita tungguin kali Mas baru habis.
You wanna see what I'm doing?
Yeah,
Please stay here. Don't worry. Okay. What we gonna do now? We have a nice grana padano cheese. We're gonna prepare some base for the. This one is gonna giotto. Okay. And this is alcohol, which is a food grade. It's ethanol for food for cooking. Basically, you put the alcohol inside, which we melt the cheese with this. After this one is around 92-93%, means that the 93% is alcohol and the rest of the percentage is water. All you have to do is to let it burn, and so at the bottom we not have a flavor as alcohol but just the water. Then you on. It's already on. Maybe the light cannot see. Try. Panas,
Ini
ah?
sirkus loh.
Sirkus.
Ini masak sirkus ya.
Masa sih?
Debus.
Iya.
Kita suruh
And
makan.
are you ready?
Oh, ready.
Because you don't see much color, right?
Yeah.
And we are doing some color.
Oh.
Una mattina mi son svegliato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi son svegliato ed ho trovato
berasa kayak di Jakarta ya.
Aku berasa waktu aku masih kecil di kampung halamanku.
Di mana itu ya, Mas?
Italiano.
Oh partigiano, portami
Dia
via.
melted loh.
Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire. There we go. Carbonara goes inside.
Ini asli enak banget
Perfetto,
ini.
now we
Kayak kita makan di
ciampo, nice,
Italia.
nice. Very good, perfetto,
Waduh.
che sei proprio ricchione.
Ini aromanya kejunya betul-betul gede banget pokoknya.
Gue udah gak bisa ngomong, Mas. Konsentrasi.
Ecco qua.
Waduh. Oke.
And now we are ready to eat.
Yes.
Tuh.
Ta-da!
Piring gue.
Iya. Oh iya, Vicenza.
Iya, Vicenza.
Marble.
Marble. Wow, nice.
This is marble. This is Vicenza.
Nice place.
Oh, it's good place.
From
We have
Vicenza?
Vicenza.
Wow, nice.
We have three color. Pink, black, and blue.
Lulus.
Blue.
No.
Apa? White.
Perfetto. Nice
Okay.
color because it will match very nice.
Yes.
Please.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Perfect. Look. Look what I'm doing now. Steady.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh.
Ah.
Look at this carbonara.
Tuh, jangan mikirin diet ya.
Oh, tunggu. Ada lagi.
Oh, ada lagi,
Oh,
Jack.
Oke, aku
Oh,
lebih
iya, iya.
Ecco qua.
Oh.
This is a portion for three actually. It's
Oh,
very,
yeah.
very huge. Ecco qua. And
Eh,
then
wah banget.
for the hand, we're gonna have a black pepper. But I'm doing magic. Look, black pepper. Black pepper. Et voilà.
Gimana lagi mau dapat ini kalau lagi
There
make
you go.
pizza?
Mike
Buon
Pizza.
appetito.
Wow.
I'm waiting all of you in Mike Pizza.
Wah, ini harus datang ke sini kalau mau nyobain yang paling istimewa langsung dari chefnya langsung dari Italia, Michele.
Buono.
Ya.
Buono.
Ayo tepuk tangannya mana?
Thank you. Hey, let's go eat. Let's go eat. Makan. Let's go.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Bon
Apa? Bo.
Selamat makan.
Ya.
Buon appetito. Buon appetito.
Biar belajar bahasanya. Bon
Selamat
appetito.
makan. Bon appetit. Bye bye.
Una mattina mi son svegliato. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao.
Makannya kapan sih?
Padahal tadi belakangan bilang mau ambil makanan satu lagi ya. Iya. Aku nggak datang ya.
Aku kalau suruh ngeliatin gini,
Datang. Hooray. Tiramisu.
You remember when I was put inside
Yes.
1 hour ago?
Yes.
It's almost ready.
Thank
I mean,
you.
it's ready.
Where is your Christmas cake? Makan kita masuk. Sobat Galeri Rasa, coba ya kita makannya ini semuanya otentik dari Mike Pizza.
Jangan lupa ya, bisa langsung dinikmati kalau lagi jalan-jalan ke Jakarta, apa yang sudah ada di Jakarta, ini adanya di Kemang deket aja. Dan piranti yang digunakan adalah produk Vicenza pastinya. Nah, kalau mau lihat-lihat lagi produk Vicenza, jangan lupa di @tokovicenza di Instagram.
Panci tapi loyang, makanya itu dia bisa langsung masuk ini ke panggangan, jadinya seperti ini. Ayo Michele, how to eat this one?
Of course, I show you now. Hilary will show you.
Wow. Wow. Ini ya.
Aduh Pak
This is
Michele,
very
saya tuh lapar
traditional,
Pak Michele.
authentic Italian food.
Yes,
That is
wait.
first.
Aha. Sobat Galeri Rasa, terima kasih sekali sudah menonton acara kita. Ini adalah acara Christmas lunch yang paling meriah karena apa? Masaknya oleh Chef
Langsung
Michele sendiri.
Dari Italia.
Yes, terima kasih banyak. Kami tim dari Galeri Rasa Channel mau mengucapkan Merry Christmas.
Selamat hari berliburan.
Buon Natale e buon anno a tutti voi. Grazie.
Wah, selalu nonton Galeri Rasa Channel ya.
Muah.
Villovers, terima kasih ya sudah selalu menonton Galeri Rasa Channel Masak Sempurna dengan Vicenza. Jangan lupa di-subscribe kalau mau lihat video-videonya, masih banyak yang ada di sini. Tuh bisa dilihat ya.